morning, first class children. Very good morning to all. Are you all ready for the class now? So, actually, from past 2 days, we are writing the essay 1 revision, right? Okay, fine. So, first revision I gave for you. One day I gave fill in the blanks, right? The second revision I gave missing letters as like hard words, isn't it? Near about 21 or 22 hard words I had given, very simple for you all, that you should have to go for the regular practice. Okay, నేను రివిజన్ ఇచ్చాను కదా మీకు అందరికి. 2 revisions అయిపోయింది. Revision number 1 and revision number 2 we had completed. That is, one is fill in the blanks and the second one is missing letters. Today teacher will going to explain about the complete the passage. Okay, so let me start with the what is the meaning of complete the passage. Okay, and I will show you on the board. The thing is what teacher will draw the picture. Teacher నేను ఒక చిన్న పిక్చర్ డ్రా చేస్తాను, దాని రిలేటెడ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. అవి ఏంటి? సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎవరు? యు ఆర్ ఎ బాయ్ ఆర్ ఎ గర్ల్, రైట్? ఓకే, సో దెన్ యూ విల్ సే ఐ am a boy, right? Then you should have to write B-O-Y, right? Boy. What you are doing there? You are eating, isn't it? If you are playing, then say I am playing. That playing is a word, is a what I refers about yourself. ఓకే, నేను మీ గురించి అడిగినప్పుడు దాంట్లో అవే ఉంటుంది, దాని గురించే ఉంటుంది. అలానే ఇక్కడ సింపుల్గా నేను సెంటెన్స్ ప్యాసేజ్ పిక్చర్ ఇస్తాను, ఆ పిక్చర్ రిలేటెడ్ సెంటెన్స్ మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, సో యు ఆర్ ఆల్ రెడీ ఫర్ దట్ థింగ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, డిజైన్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Complete the passage. What is this? Complete the passage. Revision number 3. Complete the passage. Revision number 3. Okay, is it clear? Now the thing is what? Teacher will draw the picture now. Okay, so look at here. What is this picture? You don't draw anything, just you try to understand. Okay, what is this picture? Okay, the picture is rabbit. తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? కుందేలు. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఏంటిది? ఇది ఒక rabbit. Okay, this picture is about tells about what? Rabbit. Rabbit గురించి మనం చదువుకుంటామా? Okay, now listen here. So here this picture was saying that who am I? Okay, here I am a rabbit. ఏమంటుంది? I am a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. So rabbit was saying this thing. Okay, I am a rabbit. Second sentence, I live in burrow. I live in burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కుందేలు, బరోలో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో I live in burrow. So what it likes to eat? I likes to eat carrot. నాకు ఏది ఇష్టం అంటే క్యారెట్. ఓకే, C-A-R-R-O-T. ఓకే, అండ్ ఐ కెన్ రన్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. ఏమంటుంది? నేను చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా రన్ చేశాను. ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ రన్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ టర్టల్, isn't it? So it runs very fast. So I am a rabbit. నేను ఇలా బ్లాంక్ పెడతాను, మీరు రాయాలి అక్కడ rabbit అని రాయాలి. I live in burrow. rabbit ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? burrow. ఓకే, హోల్లో ఉంటుందా? It lives in nest or hole? No teacher. In shed? No. Then what is that? burrow. ఓకే, సో burrow ఎలా ఉంటుంది తెలుసా మీకు అందరికీ? ఇప్పుడు ఇది చెట్టు అనుకోండి, ఈ చెట్టుకు ఇలా కిందకి ఇలా చేసుకుంటాను, ఒక ఇల్లు అలాగా చేసుకుని దీని లోపల ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బిగ్ ట్రీ. దాని కింద, పైన కాదు, ట్రీ కింద ఒక పెద్ద హోల్, అంటే హోల్ని కాదు, ఇట్లా ఇట్ మేక్స్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? burrow. ఓకే, సో ఐ లివ్ ఇన్ burrow. ఐ లైక్స్ టు ఈట్ వాట్? నాకు ఏది ఇష్టం అంటే క్యారెట్. ఓకే, హిందీలో ఏమంటారు? గాజర్. సో ఐ లైక్స్ టు ఈట్ క్యారెట్. I can run very fast. Whether a rabbit will walk very slow, it run very slow? No, it run very fast. Okay, so this is the passage. Okay, దీనికి ఏమంటారు? Complete the passage of the given picture. Teacher will give the picture, that related sentence you should have to complete. అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు? Next one. Okay, one more. Should I give it one more? Only two passages I will give you. You should have to understand, children. Okay. So get ready. Second one is, okay, fish. What is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. Okay. What is this? Fish. Now this fish was saying that I am a fish. I live in water. Where it lives? I live in water. Okay. How many eyes do it has? 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. Okay. I eat what? What fish likes to eat? Flesh or worms? No. Is it flesh eating animal? No, no teacher. This is not. It won't eat flesh. Then what it likes to eat? Worms. What is that? Worms. I like to eat worms. I eat always worms, not insects. Okay. So I have 2 eyes. I live in water. I am a fish. What the fish was saying? I am a fish. I live in water. I have 2 eyes. I like to eat what? Worms. Whether it likes to eat flesh? No teacher. This is not a wild animal, isn't it? Very good. This is an aquatic animal, water animal. It is a water animal. So, it lives always in where? On land or in water? In water, right? Very good, children. So, I am a fish. I live in water. I have 2 eyes. I likes to eat. I'm sorry, children. I'm very sorry. The last sentence is wrong. I like to eat worms. I want to change the sentence. I like to eat worms. I like to eat worms. I had changed it. Okay, that is wrong. I like to eat worms. So, how many sentences teacher gave? Only 4 sentences. Okay. So, this is related about what? Water animal, fish. Okay. Okay, fine. Very nice. The next one is, teacher will ask you. This is revision number 3. The next one, revision number 4. What is the revision number? 4. Revision number 4 is about draw 4 non-living things. Draw. See, you have to draw, children. 4. You can draw 5 non-living things. Shall we draw? Draw 5 non-living things. Non-living things. What are they? Yes. Shall I draw? What is this? Ball. B-A-L-L, ball, isn't it? The next one is, okay, I can draw pen. What is this? P-E-N, pen. Right? Okay. The second picture is fan. What is this? F-A-N, fan. Right? Okay. The next picture is book. What is this? Book. B-O-O-K, book. Okay. So, next one is bat. What is this? What is this? B-A-T, bat. Glass. See how many pictures teacher is drawing? Glass is also non-G-L-A-S-S, glass. Any 5 pictures, you be ready for to draw. Draw 5 non-living things means you can draw. I had given 6 here, but you can select any 5 children. Okay. So what is this? 5 non-living things which do not have life. They are called non-living things. దేనికి ప్రాణం లేదు, దానికి ఏమనాలి? Non-living things. అవి ఏంటి? బ్యాట్, బాల్, టేబుల్, చైర్ అన్ని చాలా ఉంది. టీచర్ మీకు చిన్న చిన్నగా వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, మీకు గుర్తు పెట్టుకొని ఆ పిక్చర్ డ్రా చేయాలి, ఆ వర్డ్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్. అనదర్ యూ షుడ్ హావ్ టు డ్రా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఎస్, draw a tree. Okay, you should have to draw a plant. What you should have to draw? Draw a plant. Okay, will you draw, children? Okay, and you should have to label the parts. Okay, draw a plant and label the parts, and label the parts. Okay, what are they? See here, children. Now teacher will draw a plant. You have to draw. This is, you have to label. Small picture teacher is drawing for you because you have to understand. Okay, now what is this? Flower. Flower. Here fruit. Okay, this is our what? Leaf. Okay, Fruit. Fruit. Flower. Flower. Root. Root. Leaf. Leaf. Okay, you can label like this parts. Okay, draw plant very neatly and label the parts, children. So this is the revision number 4. Okay, another one is you have to label the parts. Simple. Flower, fruit, leaf, root. Stem also you can write. That is, what is this here? Stem. Okay, STEM, stem. These are the parts of the plant. Okay, children. నేను లేబుల్ చేయమంటే ఇట్లా ప్లాంట్ నుంచి ఇట్లా పార్ట్స్ రాయాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు అందరికీ? ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్. సో లెట్ మీ స్టార్ట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. The teacher will give you tomorrow another revision. Today you do the practice of drawing of non-living things and draw a plant and label the parts. Okay, so today teacher gave only 2 revisions. Do the practice, children, at home, and tomorrow again I will give 2 more drawings. Okay, I hope this class is very clear. అర్థమైందా? ప్రింట్లో అందరు చక్కగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్. బీ సేఫ్.